our session A, data cleaning. When merging dataset with different measurement system, ensuring dash between unit consistent. In data cleaning, dash in dash out stresses that analysis qualities depend on input data, garbage in garbage out. Dash are systematic problems introduced during the data cleaning process that can be corrected data errors. Recoverable information lost during is a n dash data loss. Replacing missing data with mean of existent value is called mean. Filling missing value while linear regression or curve fitting is known as regression. Imputation always data and the cleaned dataset original. Converting John Smith to Smith John is an example of standardization. Outlier detection is often used as a dash check quality. Function like Unicode bracket open small bracket close help remove inconsistent character during dash repair data. Okay, thank you.